we decided to come up with guideWELD Live to give the heads up display and give that corrective feedback that a teacher would to help make that learning experience much more fluid and quick. guideWELD Live provides the individualized instruction through a series of icons inside, and we try to make it really simple. What's most important for any welder is to be focused on that puddle and reading the puddle. And respectful of that, we had to give indicators inside the helmet that were up arrows and down arrows and a plus sign to accelerate or a minus sign to decelerate in how fast I'm moving. So the idea is to suggest, if you will, what someone has to see while not having to defocus from the puddle, but be able to see those indicators in the periphery of your vision. In classroom environments, we find that people are able to get a passable weld much more rapidly than they would without that individualized instruction. And then the other thing that we hear about it is that with that corrective feedback, it's providing real-time information to the student when the teacher so often can't. And it's all about that muscle memory, right? So if we can get that real-time feedback for students, they can get that instruction that they need to be confident in making a passable weld. It's meeting them on their terms with technology the way they like it.